During this video demo, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the SUMPRODUCT function within Excel, but apply criteria to the results of the SUMPRODUCT function. Take a look. Open in front of you, I've got a simple little table. It's got 3 columns. I've got a quantity, a price, and a category. Now, what I'd like to do here is I want to sum up all of this data to give me a grand total, but I only want to do it for the category A records. So there's 3 of them. Take a look. This is how you can use the SUMPRODUCT function with criteria. So I'm going to hop over to E2 where I got this grand total, and I'm going to start to create this formula. So I'll say equals SUMPRODUCT. Let me find it there. I'll give it a double click. And just to make it a little bit easier, I'm going to hit the little FX button to open up the argument window. Not necessary, but I think it's a little bit cleaner. So my first step here is I'm going to grab my quantity and my price. So I'm going to put this inside of parentheses here. I'll grab the quantity. I'm going to multiply that with the price. Now normally, I want you to note here that you would put these arrays into 2 separate array areas and they'd be separated by commas. Well here, in order for me to use this criteria effectively, I'm going to put them into the same array argument, put them into parentheses, and separate them with the asterisk character. Now the next one that I'm going to have here is once again inside of parentheses. I'm going to say the category column is equal to A. And I'll put A inside of quotes there. You probably read it a little bit clearer up here at the top. Now there's actually one more thing that I need to fix here. So I've got my SUMPRODUCT A2 through A6 multiplied by B2 through B6. And then I've got my second array inside of here where I'm specifying my criteria. Now once again, note that I'm using the asterisk here to separate the arrays, the ranges of data. I need to do the same thing here as well. That shouldn't be a comma. This is going to be an asterisk instead. So let me go ahead and finalize this. I'm not done just yet. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. Nope, tell me it found a typo inside of there. I need to close the parentheses there at the end. So I'll go ahead and let it do it for me. All right, I got 0 back. So once again, one more thing I need to do. I'll give that cell a double click. And I'm going to change this comma here from a comma to an asterisk. And now I'll hit my enter key to finalize this. And I've got my 800. So let's take a look. Got 3 A records in here. 10 times 100 is 100. 20 times 100 is 200. So that's 300. 50 times 100 is 500. 300 plus 500 is 800. Using the SUMPRODUCT function with criteria. As simple as that. Just remember, you're using the asterisks to separate the ranges rather than the commas as you would do in a standard SUMPRODUCT function.